Good morning, everyone. This lesson represents a general introduction to poetry and its structure, prepared by Mr. Ilham Al-Lamjad. The first page contains an introduction to the origin of the word poetry. Then, here we introduce also many important definitions of this genre by famous poets like Samuel Coleridge, Robert Frost, and finally we have here the academic definition of poetry. Here we have the types of poetry: narrative poetry and lyric poetry, besides the two levels of meaning in verse. Now we see here the structure of poetry with its main constituents. The first one is the line, the basic element, then the stanza and its types, and also the comparison between the elements of poetry and the elements of prose. Now we see here the sonnet, which is a very important term used in poetry. We have here a definition, the origin of the word, and types of sonnets with the rhyme scheme, alright, that characterizes every type, besides definition of rhythm. Here is an example of a Petrarchan sonnet. We have here also another example of a Shakespearean or Elizabethan sonnet. And finally, we have here this simple representation of the structure of poetry. Wishing you the best, I thank you.